What's up YouTube? This is the Soldier Barber Life, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Stylecraft Saber clipper, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. So first thing I want to talk about is the price. So for the most part, you can get this clipper online for about $229. There are a couple places that do have this clipper cheaper. You may be able to catch it on sale, and there's a lot of people out there that do have their discount codes that can give you 10% off on your purchase. So just look into those. But let's open this box up and talk about some of the things in it. So first off, as you can see, this clipper is the Stylecraft Saber, and it looks like a bunch of the couple of the other clippers that they do have out, but they all have their own uniqueness to them and different characteristics. For this one specifically, it has a lightweight digital brushless motor that runs at about 7,500 strokes per minute for efficiency and performance. It does come with the double black diamond DLC carbon blades, and that is a fade blade that it does come on, and it's a slim fade blade. It does have the click lever system that it comes with, and it does have that nice wide lever at the bottom of it for your thumb, and you can customize it and change that if you want it to be a click lever or if you want it to be a floating lever. But overall, this clipper does have some weight to it, so if you are a person that likes the wall seniors, this is definitely something similar to that. Now they also have the Stylecraft Mythics as well that are a little bit heavier than this one, but these ones are a little bit lighter than that. To me, I like the seniors, so these feel very similar to that. Now with a lot of the other Stylecraft clippers, you can see that you are able to customize them. So if you want to have that motor exposed, you can swap it out. And then with all the Stylecraft products, they also give you a charging dock, and that's pretty much standard for all their stuff. So it's up to you. If you want to have it in a charging dock, you can. If you want to use whatever other system, you have that option as well. But having a charging dock included is really important, just when you're really talking about the 200 plus price point. So what else comes in it? You get the dubs, and the dubs are the double magnetic guards, and these guards, they give you 8 guards that comes with it, and it goes all the way from your 1/16, your 1/8, your 3/16, your 1/4, your 3/8, your 1/2 inch, your 5/8, and your 3/4. So these are pretty good guards that you do get, and they are double magnetic. I've never used magnetic guards before, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying these out, seeing how they work compared to like the traditional wall premium guards that I'm used to using. But these ones do have the colors on them that tell you like which guard system it is. Now from everyone that I do talk to, unfortunately the color of each guard does wear off after you've been using it for some time, so you will just have to go by the feel of it. So they also include in there that stretch bracket, so if you do want to customize it and put that stretch bracket on there, you can. If you want to change your blade out and make it a floating blade, you can do that as well, and it just has a little oil cleaner, and then you get a screwdriver to make your adjustments, and it also has another cam follower. And then we do have our charging cord, and this is a dual voltage clipper, so you can use that all around the world, and it does have a pretty long cord, so you can plug that cord directly into the clipper, or you can plug it into the charging dock. So like I say, these dubs is something new that I'm used to, so I really like how you can just kind of click them on and just pop them right off. The magnets are strong enough that you can actually sit up there and put them on, and they'll hold on when you're cutting through hair and not pop off, but they aren't so strong that you can't just pull them off. So next thing we're going to do is I'm actually going to swap it out because I do like that exposed motor. So we're going to go ahead and go through this process, take the screws off, and then we are going to change it out and put this transparent cover underneath so I can be able to see the exposed motor. So while I'm doing this, just wanted to talk about some other characteristics of this clipper. So being that it does have a lightweight digital brushless motor, it does have a lithium ion battery that delivers 6 hours of cordless runtime, and it only has a 2-hour rapid charge. So you definitely are going to get a really long battery life out of this clipper. And my whole purpose behind getting this clipper actually was because I wanted to find a clipper that would replace my Babyliss Gold FXs. I loved the motor that was in them, which was the same one here, but I really didn't like the ergonomics of the Babyliss Gold FX. So that's why I got this clipper. It feels really good in the hand. It has a good quality weight. And I love the gold. All my clippers, everything I have is all gold. So I'm really looking forward to using this clipper. I'm going to be making sure that I do a review on it and then dropping that review on my channel as well. So you guys make sure you stay tuned for that. And thanks you guys for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop a comment down below.